Hello students, welcome to me to maths classes. Your question is, let z is a complex number x plus iota y and a complex number w. This is not omega, like omega is also represents cube root of unity. This w represents a complex number that is equals to 1 minus iota z upon z minus iota. Now, if you are given that the modulus of w is 1, then you have to show that z lies on the real axis. So, z lies on real axis means you have to show that z is a real number. Now, to show this, we are going to start with the given thing. We are given that the modulus of w is 1. If the modulus of w is 1, that implies that modulus of w whole square is also equals to 1. If the modulus of some complex number ka square will be equals to w multiplied by w conjugate, by using z into z conjugate is equals to modulus of z ka whole square. So, modulus of w square can be written as w into w conjugate. Now, what is your w? W is 1 minus iota z upon z minus iota and 1 minus iota z upon z minus iota का conjugate is equals to 1. आपकी कॉन्जुगेट प्रॉपर्टी क्या कहती है कि आपका कॉन्जुगेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है पूरे क्वेश्चन में. सो यू कैन राइट दिस एज z माइनस आयोटा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 का कॉन्जुगेट 1 ही रहेगा, आयोटा का कॉन्जुगेट क्या हो जाएगा माइनस आयोटा, z का कॉन्जुगेट z कॉन्जुगेट माइनस आयोटा का कॉन्जुगेट माइनस आयोटा is equals to 1. Now, we can multiply the numerators and denominators. Now, this will give you 1 plus iota z conjugate minus iota z, then minus iota square z into z conjugate, और जो आपका डिनोमिनेटर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो वहाँ 1 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा and that will be equals to z into z conjugate, then iota z, then minus iota z conjugate, then minus iota square. Now 1 plus iota z conjugate. अब आपका iota z conjugate नहीं कैंसिल हो रहा है. So, write it down as minus iota z. Iota square can be written as minus 1. So, it will become z into z conjugate. And this can be written as plus iota z minus iota z conjugate. And this can be written as plus 1. Iota square is equals to minus 1. So, this will become plus 1. Now, 1 can be cancelled and z into z conjugate can be cancelled. So, you will get आपका iota z conjugate यहाँ पर है तो 2 times iota z conjugate is equals to, इसको आप वहाँ पर शिफ्ट करेंगे then 2 iota z, 2 iota आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा and जब it will give you that z is equals to z conjugate. एंड व्हेनेवर z is equals to z conjugate का मतलब क्या होता है आपका z is equals to z conjugate, यानी रियल पार्ट आपका कैंसिल हो गया और ये इधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा 2 iota y is equals to 0. दैट इम्प्लाइज y is equals to 0. और अगर आपका y 0 है and तो z will be equals to x only, which is a real number. So you have shown that z lies on x axis, real axis.